Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your address on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using DoorDash, or maybe you've moved homes and you want to go ahead and put your address in. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the DoorDash app. Next, you're going to click on Me on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down. And then underneath Business Profile, you're going to see the button that says Address. So click on Address. So right here, you're going to see a list of blurred addresses, but underneath my saved addresses. But in order to actually go ahead and add an address, just click on the search bar on the upper hand corner. And then simply just type in your address. So again, right now it's just simply blurred out. So right here, you're just going to type in your address and then go ahead and add it in. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your address on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.